cooking with Alan
and Robert.
Okay, so you may have noticed that I shaved my mustache. It's pretty brutal. Alright, so here are the ingredients.
Alright, hoes, we got our strawberries, our peanut butter, our blueberries, our fresh blueberries, we got our ice cream, we got our blender, we got our Ovaltine. Now, our combination into breakfast is chocolate, just in case you want a bit of chocolate. And our soggy bananas.
Why are they soggy?
Yeah. Because I pissed all over them. Pissed all over them.
I really don't want pissed bananas in my smoothies, bitch.
Pissed bananas? Look, my piss is brown, I don't know why. This is disgusting.
What? Okay, so you're going to want to start out with some vanilla ice cream. Alright, scoop it in there. However much you want is fine. It's really up to you. Okay, so now we're going to add all our berries. Alright, we have some fresh blackberries, as you can see. Fresh. You're going to add as many as you want. I like my berries, so I'm going to add a lot. We have some frozen blueberries, as you can see. Pour these bitches in. Yeah, it's all good. Lastly, strawberries. These tend to take up a lot more room, so you're going to add less of these, as you can see. Whoops. Save that one for the dogs. Hey, did you wash your hands? No. Dude, I don't want your hands all over my milkshake. Alright, you're gonna want to add about 2 bananas, throw that in there, who cares. Then you're gonna add your milk, I'd say about 3 cups, maybe. A little less, depending on how much you have in the blender. We're gonna do 3 cups. Lastly, if you like peanuts, like Robert, add some peanut butter. It's pretty chunky. You're going to want to hammer it in there pretty good. Try not to get peanut butter in yourself. And, there you go. I mean, come on. Now that we're done blending, enjoy. Alright, so now we gotta test these bad boys out.
Hey guys, I have to ask you a real serious question.
Damn!
What?
I want you on my crew.
What?
Crew?
My dance crew.
Oh,
Every
dude.
Thursday and Friday.
Maybe you got the wrong building.
Dude,
Is this a C building?
Dance
No.
is 347, you're in 346.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks guys. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, bitch.
So, now that we're really erupted, I must say that these are pretty good smoothies. You concur?
Indeed.
That's gross, dude.
Oh my gosh, dude. I just got like the evilest gargoyle grin from him.
Look at that.
Banana.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Going, calculating. Wait. I'll go with it.